Hello and welcome to our course. This is the second lesson of the tools explaining. We stopped in this tool. Now we'll continue by explaining this tool right here. This tool is to select colors. For example, I want to extract this color right here. All I need to do is to click on the color and it will give me its code. Whatever color you want, all you have to do is to click on it. Now we go to this tool, which is used to delete anything you don't want in the image. For example, I want to delete this phrase here, and all I have to do is to select it like this. Then I drag like this, and it disappears. As you see, there's no trace of the phrase. Same thing for this ball right here. And it's gone. Perfect. And we will be working with this tool further in this course. We go back right here. Now on to the next tool, the brush tool, and you can use it to draw or to make some filters like this light filter. I will add a light filter like this. It looks like there is a light in the corner. And the brushes have multiple uses. And I always recommend to open a new layer when you're using the brushes, so you can undo whatever filter you did. As you see, it's gone, and now here it is. And the brushes are available online. You can download them or buy them from various sites. Another brush example. This is the brush menu. You can control everything about them from here. This is just an example. And as I said, this is the brushes menu. You can control them from here. On to this tool, which is similar to this one because it hides objects. The way it works is that you can copy parts of the image and cover other parts with them like this. As you see, we clone this part and put it right there. The way it works is that you can copy parts of the image and cover other parts with them, like I said before. So it's like this tool right here. As you see, I can delete this ball right like this. And it's gone. You can use it to move objects too, or to clone them. For example, I want to clone the queue like this, and as I said, you click on the object, then you press Alt from your keyboard, then you drag it wherever you like. So basically you can use this tool to clone or to hide objects. Now to this tool, which you can delete with it whatever you have done with the brushes. For example, I draw this with a brush. Like this. I put a new layer first, then I draw like this. And I click on this tool to delete what I have drawn with the brush. You won't be using this tool too much, because it's not that necessary. I don't even remember the last time I used it. Now we go to this tool right here. This is the eraser tool, which deletes anything from the image. And you can control it from this menu right here. It's with the brush menu. The brush and the eraser menu are in the same place. And as you see, we erase like this. And of course, there's different types of erasers. Like this one, it definitely deletes the thing, but the other one leaves some trace. Now we move to this tool. This tool is for gradient color. I can go here, as you're gonna see, we will have some gradient colors. I go here, I choose whatever one I like, for example this one. I press here, and as you see, and I will need to reduce the opacity like this, and as you see, the image becomes more clearer. From here I can control the opacity. So this is what this tool is for. And this tool here, it adds only one color. Not gradient color, just one color. Not like the other tool. This one adds only one color. Now we move to this tool, which can make the image a little blurry. Take a close look. As you see, the image is a little bit blurry. This is the original one, and as you see, you can tell the difference. You can apply this tool to pictures to make the background a little bit blurry and focus on whatever object you want. So this is what this tool is for. This is all for this lesson. I will see you in the next one to explain the rest of the tools. Thanks for watching and goodbye.